Hello and welcome. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I'm all about teaching you how to grab paper, stamp, and ink and get creative. If that sounds like something you'd benefit from, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future projects. Today I am going to show you how to make a quick and simple yet beautiful card in less than 5 minutes. Stick with me and we'll get crafting. All right, let's go ahead and get our pieces together, and these measurements will be down in the description, or there'll be a link to my blog post where you can get those. I have a piece of blueberry bushel. It's 4 1/4 by 11 inches, scored at 5 1/2 for my card base. I have an interior piece of smoky slate that is 4 by 5 1/4. I have a matting layer of basic gray that is also 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of this beautiful peacock paper. Look at the foil detail on there. This is just gorgeous. When you've got this pretty paper, you don't need to do a lot to your cards. You can let the paper do the work for you. So this piece is 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And then I have another strip of basic gray that is 3 3/4 by 3/4 inches. So as I said, when you've got this beautiful paper, you really don't have to do a lot to make your cards stand out. So we're going to grab our, let me go ahead and give you the stamps and the ink as well. But here's a card stamp set. Great sentiment stamp set. Has so many different ones. Today I'm going to use the thanks, you made my day ones. I think some of these, there's some sweet sentiments in here, and then there's just some fun ones. Like I can't begin to count all the times we've laughed together. And then a follow-up one, mostly because numbers are hard. So I just think those are kind of cute. So lots of fun sentiments. If you don't have that one, it'd be great to add to your stash. And then I'm using blueberry bushel for the ink. I've got my trusty Tombow Mono Multi Glue out here. It's my adhesive of choice. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that that's the one I go to for 99% of my projects. So I realized I needed a thank you card today, and I have seriously depleted my stash of thank you cards. So I figured it was time to stock up on those, and I just wanted some quick cards so I could get a nice group of those done in no time. So I've gone ahead and just matted those layers. We're going to come in with our ink. And I'm going to use the blueberry bushel, which coordinates with the blueberry bushel colors in here. And I'm just going to stamp the thanks on there. Now you could cut this down into a banner, but I think I like that going all the way across like that. And you may be shocked if you tune into my channel often to see I am not using dimensionals. This is really a simple card, but I think it's going to be beautiful when we're done. And I think this, you know, doesn't read too feminine, so this could go to a masculine card as well. Then I'm going to use the You Made My Day stamp. Oh, and you got a little blip there. That's why we've got two sides to our paper, right? You re-ink that. And I'm going to come in here and put this kind of towards the top. You Made My Day. We're going to ink this up. I haven't been paying attention to the time, but I feel pretty confident that this is going to be well under the 5-minute mark for a quick card. And so there we go. We've got the thanks. You made my day, and I like this smoky slate because it's still light enough to write on your when you're putting your message in there, but it's not so stark, the white, to take away from the beautiful colors we have on the front here. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know that you're watching and what you would like to see me do in the future. Until we meet again, make sure you grab your paper, stamp, and ink and get creative.